Morning, everyone.
Morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning, Edwin. Oh, isn't it just a lovely start of the day?
Hold up, what's gotten you into such a good mood?
Oh, nothing, James. It's just Dry was giving me a fresh new coat of green paint yesterday.
That's it. Just new paint? Is that all?
What is it, Golden?
Oh my fucking god, please kill me.
Well, I wouldn't be so sure about that, Henry, because...
Well, I have you know that new looks make you look better. And I know your dumbass ain't talking. You smell like fucking shit. Came out of the toilet.
Says the one who gets sick 24/7.
Oh, damn, he got him.
James, oh my fucking god, I will slap non-existent hand if your dumb ass don't shut the fuck up.
Oh shit, bro roasted his ass. Get fucking wrecked,
You know
James.
what? I've had enough. I'm gonna put my train.
At least I'm not the one with the wooden legs. Oh no, guys, he's totally mad.
Shut the fuck up, Henry. No one asked your goddamn opinion.
Come on, why the hell have we stopped, Henry?
You know exactly why.
Henry, I am this close to calling Sir Tom Hat.
Oh no, you can call him. I'd love to have a chat with him.
Very well.
Right, gotta shunt them trucks. And...
Joseph,
Oh, yes, sir. What is it, sir?
bring me to the main line tunnel. There's been an emergency.
Yes, sir. Go to the mainline tunnel. Oh, there is no fucking way. Well, hello there, fat face. What you up to? Playing hide and seek?
Joseph, if you're here to brag about me being in the tunnel, I swear to God.
Henry! What on earth are you playing at?
Sir, you know exactly why.
All I want to know is why you're shut up in the tunnel.
I've told you many times to not consign me on rainy days.
That doesn't matter right now. These people have places to be, and you're making them late.
Sir, with all due respect, it doesn't seem like it's my fucking problem here.
Joseph, leave that coach behind and bring Thomas with you.
Yes, sir. I'll go get Thomas. Yo-ho!
Who's that?
Thomas, buddy, old pal, where are you?
Joseph, what do you want?
I got some news for you.
What? What is it?
Well, you see, Tom, my boy, Henry is being a lazy fuck and won't come out of the damn tunnel. So Topham sent me to get you so we can get him out.
So you're saying is Topham send it to you so we can get Henry out?
Oh, by the way, I wasn't asking. So Topham told me to fetch you. Like, literally. It's gonna end up bad for the both of us if we don't go. He's pissed.
Okay, fine, I'll go.
Okay then, let's go get a green whale out of the tunnel now. We're here, sir.
Perfect. 2 months.
Thank you for coming to help us, Thomas and Joseph. So, you two think you can do it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, 1, 2, 3, push!
Is that all you got?
Come on, Henry, you fat fuck!
I'm not bad, Joseph.
No use at all. Thank you for helping, Thomas and Joseph. You two will now return to your duties.
Yes, sir.
But hey, look at the bright side, Joseph. At least we were still able to help. You want me to phone James's driver, sir? No, you don't need to. So, Henry, you want to stay in the tunnel? Fine. You can stay there.
Well, I'm glad you understand it now.
For always and always and always.
Wait. What?
You won't have to worry about your paint ever again.
Oh, well, I changed my mind, sir. I want to come out.
Well, seems like you got what you deserved, didn't you, Henry?
Wait a minute. Is that Henry? Wait, hello, Henry. Now I know why I don't worry about my pay. Perhaps you're right.